Oh, wow, Chris, you look different today.
What do you know, me laddie?
Chris, what are we testing today on Will It Bloat?
Why don't we take some of my lucky Leprechaun lubricant?
Chris, what are we playing for today on Will It Bloat?
Well, today, Ken, we're going to play for a CF 450 full nipple brought to you by G&D KL Group. Back to you, Ken.
Chris, that's a very interesting drink. Is that a tasting drink?
You can try it.
Let's put it in the vacuum chamber and see what happens.
I think it's going to bloat, and I think there's going to be a lucky Leprechaun lubricant mess.
Let's turn on the vacuum pumps and see what happens. Oh, it's growing.
It's growing. Stand back.
Woo!
Now the chamber is lucky Leprechaun lubricated.